airplane mode.
Happy birthday, BSS ko. I wish you good health and the best of everything. Know that I always love you. You're always in my heart. Pamula pa ng pagkabata natin hanggang ngayon. Kung may forever, yun tayo. Happy birthday!
Meron akong ano eh. Meron akong nakalimutan pero naalala ko. June 1. Wedding anniversary ni Grace. Ng kanilang kasal ni Jericho. Alam ko merong kasabay ito eh. Wedding anniversary. Oo nga. Si Maring Joby. Birthday din. Oo nga. Hello, Maring Joby. Hello, hi. Kumusta na, Maring Joby? Di na talaga napigilan, no? Hindi na mapigilan, pero blessing sa atin, di ba? Na lagi nating nararating yung kaarawan natin, di ba? Na sa kabutihan ng Diyos, ng Panginoon, it's a blessing to us na ma-achieve natin yung ilang taon na nga ba tayo? Ilang taon nga na nga ba, Joby? Alam ko ano ka eh. Ahead ka sa akin ng 6 years. Kaya 6 years. Kaya 54, 55 ako. 60 ka na. Congratulations, Maring Joby. The Lord will continue to bless you at saka sa buo mong pamilya na nandiyan sa Canada. Natutuwa kami, ako at aking buong pamilya, si Daisy, si Grace, si Iris, si Paula, ang buong pamilya namin na nagiging mabuti at saka maayos kayo dyan sa lugar na kinalalagyan nyo sa Canada. But anyway, bago humaba, gusto lang naman kitang batiin ng happy 60th anniversary birthday mo pala. happy 60th birthday, Maring Joby. Salamat dahil sa Panginoong Diyos na binigay sa iyo yan. Senior ka na. Pero kami susunod na rin dyan sa iyo. Sa ganyan. Kaya sa kaarawan mo ngayon, June 1, sana maging malakas ka pa rin at saka maging especially sa spiritual faith natin sa Panginoon. Sana maging strong pa rin tayo, no? Na lagi lang magtiwala sa Panginoon, sa kabutihan ng Panginoon. Happy birthday. The Lord will bless you always, sa iyo at sa buong mong pamilya. Sana makamit mo pa kung ano yung mga inaasam-asam mo sa iyong sarili, sa iyong pamilya. The Lord will grant sa lahat ng yan, Maring Joby. Kaya ganun pa man, matagal na tayong hindi nagkikita-kita. Sana magkaroon pa rin tayo ng time na magkaroon ng reunion, di ba? Na eto, malalakas pa tayo, kaya pa nating magkita-kita. Sana dumating yung time na yun na magkaroon pa rin tayo ng reunion nila Aldrin, syempre. Sa will ng Panginoon. sana matupad yun. Okay, anyway, sa'yo, patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon, patuloy kang protektahan ng Panginoon, patuloy kang bigyan ng magandang kalusugan sa katawan, higit sa lahat. Yun, happy birthday, Maring Joby. God bless you always.
Hi Maring Joby, happy birthday. Pareho na tayong senior ngayon. Hindi na maikakaila na pareho na tayong tumatanda. Anyway, hindi naman halata. Wish ko sa iyo good health and long life. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon kasi kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, ay nananatili pa rin yung pagiging mag-BFF natin. At sana ay wag mawala yun. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa Canada and wag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. At ang wish ko ay sana pagdating ng araw ay magkasama tayong muli. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Maring Joby. Happy 60th birthday. Na-surprise ka ba? Ang wish ko is good health. Tsaka sana magkasama-sama ulit tayo ni na Lloyda para namimiss ka na namin. Tagal na nung huli nating nagkita. Kaya sana makauwi ka na ulit. Yung inaanak mo, may apo ka na sa kanya. Basta sana lagi kang mag-iingat. Ingat kayo ng family mo dyan. Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday. Sana happy talaga yung 60th birthday mo. Love you. Bye-bye. Miss you.
Hello Joby, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life, good health. Happy birthday again and welcome to the club.
Hi Tito Joby, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to, sa iyong karawan. And sana soon magkita tayo. Pagpunta ko dyan, treat mo ko. Muli, happy birthday Tito Joby. Sana maging masaya ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Joby.
Happy birthday, Joby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Joby. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Jovi, happy birthday! Kumusta ka na? I miss you so much. Anyway, hope you enjoy your special day. And I just wish you more blessings, happiness, and long life, syempre. Actually, I'm so thankful na kahit papaano, meron tayong communication and connection kapag may mga okasyon na ganito. I miss you so much, ate. Ang tagal natin hindi nagkikita. Anyway, stay happy, stay beautiful. And sabi nila 60 ka na daw pero hindi ka naman mukhang 60 ate. Anyway, regards to the whole family, especially kay Kuya Ronald at saka kay Rovi. And God bless you. And I just hope to see you soon. Sana magkasabay naman tayo ng pag-uwi. Happy birthday ulit ate. I miss you so much. God bless.
Hi Ate Joby, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Joby.
Nagulat ka no? Ako rin nagulat.
Enjoy your day.
Joke lang. Nakakaingit kasi libre ka na sa sinihan sa SM. Nakakaingit naman, tuwing Lunes. Joke lang. Ako kasi after 30 years pa, bago ako magdaga 60.
Trabaho muna.
Joke lang. Enjoy your day. Huwag ka muna mag-work. Ngayong araw, si Kuya Ronald muna ang paglabahin. Okay. God bless.
God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Joby.
airplane mode.
Birthday po, Lola Tita. I love you.
Tita Juby, happy birthday! Ingat po lagi. God bless.
Hi, this is James, third birthday. So, Tita, happy birthday. More blessing to come and size 10.
Hi, Lola Tita. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Tito Juby. Happy birthday. More blessings to come, more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Joey. Wish po namin na sana masaya ko yung lahat.
Hello, Tito Juby. Happy birthday. Stay pretty, good health, and God bless. Enjoy your day. So, blow out na. Joe, so happy birthday, Tito Juby. Thank you.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. More blessing.
Happy birthday, Tita Juby. God bless.
Yun, happy birthday po, Tita Juby. Welcome to senior year. More birthdays to come. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Birthday, Lola. Agoy,
We love you so much.
We love you.
We love you. I miss you.
Miss you.
Mwah.
Kiss, kiss.
And
Flying kiss pa.
Bye
Super
bye.
kiss. Super kiss. Where's your super kiss?
Super kiss, super hug.
Hug pa talaga. Sige. What will you say to Nona? Yes, that's another one. What will you say to Nona?
Happy birthday, Nona.
Right. We wish you all the best, Nona. We wish you
We
gold.
love you. We love you so
Yes.
much.
Stay healthy.
Boo.
Stay healthy always.
Always.
See you soon.
Eat soon.
Vediamo.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Juby! Have a nice one. God bless. Thank you. Hi.
Hello, my dear Bunso. Today you celebrate your 60th birthday. And I hope you know how grateful we are to have you in our life. Happy birthday, my dear sister. Filled with love, laughter, and all your heart desire may be granted by our Lord Almighty. Happy birthday to my incredible sister and my best friend. We are truly blessed to have you in our life. It is beyond proud to have you, that you are my sister and best friend. I love you to the moon and back, sister. I love you so much. Happy birthday again. Love you.
굿모닝. 다들 몇 시신가요, 지금? 기타. 마을 볼까요? 마을 기타. I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true.